My name is Dilshan Gomez, and this is a 1970 Toyota Celica TA20. Celica was launched in 1970 as a cut-down model of the 2000 GT, Toyota supercar at the time. Celica was intended to be an affordable sports car with style. The logo of the Celica is a dragon. Body and interior trim was designed around the shape of the dragon. The name Celica was derived from the Latin word heavenly, as there was 76 options to choose from, engines to options and outside trim. This car is an early model car with the fuel cap location at the rear. The later model cars had the fuel cap location on the right side quarter panel, which were known as the TA22s. Engines varied from 1.4 litre to 2.2 as you pleased. This is a 1.6 litre LT trim level car. My father was one of the few people to start collecting Japanese cars in Sri Lanka, and this definitely was down the pipeline for us to chase and purchase for its rarity in the country. When we got the car back in 2013, it was in quite a bad shape and it needed a complete restoration. So most parts I have sourced from Australia and Japan and restored it ground up to this level. There's a lot of interest in Japanese classic cars now, but my advice is to restore it to preserving the original condition of the